What is up, YouTube? So today we are staying there. Just like, hey YouTube. Just put it in there. So YouTube, we are doing something called Dress to Impress. What is up, YouTube? So we are playing Dress to Impress in real. We're playing Dress to Impress in real life because we were just playing Dress to Impress, and I was like, you know what? Let's play Dress to Impress in real life, okay? IRL. Alyssa Brinkman. You're not in front. Alyssa Brinkman chose. I look so rough. Okay, so update, she looks super good. Oh my god, Alyssa. Okay, be for real. I can't. Oh my god, stop putting this on YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Okay, do a spin around. Turn around for me. God. Oh my gosh. So we got the chocolates. Okay, these were from Macy's. Okay, these were on clearance. Then we move up the body. Cover. And then we move up the body. This beautiful covering it. Then we got this belt from my mommy. This shirt is from me. Fun. Dude, you look so good. I'm being so for real. I wish I looked like this. These glasses are from Kohl's. This outfit rate this outfit out of 10.
Me?
Let me classy.
I rate 9.2.
9.2. Nice. You look so like. Yep. Okay. I rate this 9.2 as well.
I need like something to like.
Son.
Do
you want a vest? Do you want to add a vest?
I need something to like. I'm on a black guitar right now. Just a little.
The guitar.
It adds the classiness, and it's like
Oh my god, you look at what's his name from Stranger Things?
Dustin?
Eddie, you look like Eddie from Stranger Things. Dude, there's outfit number 1.
Because I'm always like, you know me, I'm always like, and it like goes above my shoulders.
Take that off.
Eddie, I just lost you.
Gosh!
You know how
Oh
it is.
my gosh! That's going on YouTube.
Okay.
See you in a second.
See you in a second.
I'm so excited.
I'm taking off these.
I'm so excited.
For a second.
What? Aww.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Okay, the jorts actually look fine. The shirt ruined it.
Right now.
So take the jersey off. The jorts actually look so good though.
No, they don't.
Yes,
God,
they
look,
do.
Okay, no, my legs look so muscular in
That's
them,
good, Alyssa. And oh god, yeah, they look weird in the mirror. I swear they actually look weird. Okay. You got a turtleneck.
Doors so hard to unlock. Oh my god, I cannot look in that mirror, bro. Oh my gosh.
Go. Oh, heck yes. Yes, bro.
Hi, YouTube.
Close the door. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Her number is 6. Doesn't it look good? My calves.
No,
They're too muscular
no,
for this.
no, they're not.
A solid 7.
7. Okay, if we change the shorts, would it be better?
Yes.
Doesn't it look good?
My calves.
No,
They're
wait,
too
no,
muscular for this.
no. Oh my gosh! Wait, I forgot. I have pants to give you.
You have pants to give me?
Stay right there.
Okay. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. You can't see if I close my eyes or not. Your eyes are closed.
Okay, open.
Oh god, dude.
Okay, stand right here. Now.
Now you're making what you're talking about.
Now rate
go.
it, and these pants are now yours.
100. But I wouldn't wear it.
Cause people make fun of you.
Yeah.
Some balls. Yeah, grow some balls.
You better post it.
Grow some balls. Grow some. Rate the outfit.
100.
I rate it 10. Now, would you like to keep the pants on and keep,
Yes.
Okay. We have.
Hey YouTube, how's it going?
Hi.
Hi YouTube.
What shoes shall you wear?
You're gonna see what was it? Oh, your bra. Oh, I remember this one. Hold on. Hey YouTube.
Okay. Take it off. Take it off.
How do you go to this?
There we go. Yes.
I can just,
Yes,
like,
girl.
unzip, you know?
Yes, girl, bro. Why? Do you think I'm a?
Dude, okay, wait. Pop off. Pop off. Give me a second. No. Pop off. Pop off. Pop off.
Pop off.
Ooh, we're getting cozy.
Rate this outfit out of 10.
I rate this one a solid 9. 9.5. 9.3.
9.3. Okay, now can I? Life update. So we're making a TikTok to hopefully go viral.
Hey YouTube! I wanted stuff like this on the first day of school. Because Ryan lended me these jeans. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. Hang on. Cargos. These cargos. She let, oh my god. Skateboard. She lended me these cargos because she's a great friend and I'm gonna kidnap her tonight. I'm gonna kidnap her. Don't tell her though. And I'm gonna bring her in my basement and. Hey Brian, you're talking about.
Huh?
That's mine. That is kind of small.
Yeah, I know.
It's alright. It's alright. Oh. Then. Shoot, you're really matching right now. Look how tall I look. What the
Okay, guys, we're making one last outfit, okay? And it's going to be beautiful, okay? We got. What's up, vloggers?
What's up, YouTube?
So basically,
Oh my god.
we are done dressing up. Thanks for watching the video. Go follow my TikTok and my Instagram. So yeah, thanks for watching, cuz. Thanks for watching. Go check out all my other videos.
Thank you for watching.
Peace out. Peace out.
Thank you for watching. YouTube, I'm not really video ready.